Hello, my beautiful people, and welcome to Docentes DigitalesTV. You're watching the most complete video series to learn English and American culture in a simple, effortless way. You don't need textbooks, you don't need long grammar lessons, and you definitely don't need to feel stressed. Just listen carefully, pay close attention, and watch this video as many times as you need. Today, we're talking about something unique and powerful: the special relationship between the United States and France. Yes, these two countries are more than allies. They share a deep history, cultural respect, and political partnership that goes back centuries. Let's begin with a little history. France was the first country to officially recognize the independence of the United States during the American Revolutionary War. That support was not just symbolic. France sent soldiers, ships, and weapons to help the Americans fight against the British. In return, the United States has long honored France as one of its oldest allies. Culturally, the influence flows both ways. The US has embraced French art, cuisine, and fashion, while France admires American innovation, music, and cinema. Think about New York and Paris, Hollywood and Cannes. There's a strong connection through the arts. Politically, the two nations have worked together in many important moments in history: World War I, World War II, the Cold War, and countless peacekeeping missions and international negotiations. Sometimes they disagree on military actions, trade agreements, or environmental policies, but their bond remains solid. Why is this relationship so special? It's based on shared values like democracy, liberty, and human rights. Both countries believe in the power of diplomacy, and they often stand together on global issues. From NATO to climate change agreements, France and the US are frequently on the same side of the conversation. Thank you for staying with us until the end of this video. If you made it this far, that means you're serious about learning. Make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the feedback video coming next. It's absolutely essential for reinforcing your vocabulary and understanding of today's topic. Don't forget to give this video a like, share it with your friends, and help us keep growing so we can create even better content for you. See you in the next one.